Insert a pipe here for connecting to compressed air. Push this blue switch to supply air. The air pressure should be maintained within the range of 0.4 to 0.6 MPa. This is the main power supply. Push the switch upwards. Open all these switches upwards. Turn on the two temperature controls. Turn on this power switch. This switch controls the steam heating. These three switches controls the pump 1, 2, and 3. Pumps 1 and 2 are high temperature steam pumps. Pump 3 is a water pump. This switch controls the conveyor. The sequence of these switches is just like the one I operate. To close, press the corresponding red button below. For emergency stop, push this red button.